Melon playground, the car crash. Honey, wake up! Wake up! App, wake up! App! This kid here. App, wake up! App, app, wake up! Well, you scared me. I know I did. Now get ready, 'cause we're about to go somewhere. I'll be in the car while you're doing all that stuff. And make sure to wash your stem too. I know you hate doing that, but it's just appropriate. So, and you don't want a dirty apple or rotten one in your house. Right? I wonder where we're going. She never takes me on trips like this. Or just wakes up and randomly says that. I'm going. No, I don't want to hold this. Just give him one. Yeah, it's alright. Sorry, guys. What the heck? Alright. It's time to brush my teeth. Shh. Oh, that toothpaste. Nasty. Wash my face. I guess this is a towel too. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. And wash my stem. Where'd my stem go? Does it really matter? Nah. Oh, then lastly, my shoes. I don't know why I always keep my shoes in my bathroom. Just weird. Coming, Mom! Ouch. Alright. I really do wonder where we're going. Ouch. Oh, I didn't want him to have that on. I'll keep the sleeves on him. Right here. So where are we going, Mom? I can't tell you, but I will. Okay, where are we going? We're going to see the stone statue! Although we will get held up in some traffic. Yeah, I know. It's kinda bad. Well, probably. We don't really know if we will, so. But anyways, let's go! Woo! Oh shoot, my headphones. Your headphones are down there. Oh, they are? Hey, I don't see them. They're right there. Oh, there they are. Woo! Wait, why are we going there though? That's my only question. Oh, you don't remember? Don't remember what? Your birthday. Oh, so that's why. Yeah. Ugh, I'm tired. Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mom, hurry, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Whoa, whoa. Uh, uh, uh. Mom, what is wrong with you today? Sorry, I'm just tired. Ugh, I didn't get to get any sleep last night. Wait, Mom! 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 No, Mom, get up, please! Mom, no, Mom, please, please, Mom! Mom, wake up, wake up, please! Please! Mom, please wake up! Mom, please! Boom! Ah! Oh, Mom! Oh, 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 oh. Mom! Mom! What happened? No, Mom. Oh, I hurt my leg. Well, now I have to hurt his leg. Uh, oh, I think my knee got dislocated. Uh, uh, Mom, don't worry, I'll get you out of there. Uh, 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 what happened to your arm? Mom, uh, 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 hello? Hello? Oh, shoot. Yes, hello? Can anyone hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Do you need any help? Yes. My mom, she got into a car crash. I need help. I don't know if she's gonna die or not. Okay, don't worry, I'm coming. That's how fast you can run. Hurry, she's rotting. I'm coming. Ugh. Now what's your problem? My mom. We crashed and I don't want her to die, dog. Okay. Medkit. First, here, move out the way real quick. Okay. Medkit. She needs bandages. Okay. Then I got this. She's really gonna need this. Ooh, wait, what is that? It's a limb connector. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on her arm. If I can. Hurry! She's rotting! She's gonna become a rotten apple. Okay, don't worry, I got this. Wait, you're gonna inject her with that? Yeah. What else do you expect me to do? It's the only cure. Okay. To stop her from rotting. Oh, don't worry, I got you. Do it in her head, maybe. Do it on her arm, too. You know what? I'm not gonna give her this. That's just not gonna feel good. Oh, she's feeling better. I'm feeling a little bit better, but where's my arm? Oh, there's one more thing I have to give you. I know this is gonna hurt, but Oh, oh, what the heck was that? Oh, it made you feel better. Oh, by the way, you need way more bandages than that. How much bandages do I need? A lot. And then